Mosey
and Moo!
Salsa
Dance party!
Welcome, dancers. You are invited to my salsa dance party. Are you ready, Mosey?
Did you say salsa? I love salsa, especially with my nachos.
Well, it's not really something to eat with nachos. It's a dance step, and it comes from the most beautiful people and the most beautiful country called Cuba. Are you ready, Moo?
Moo! Moo!
Are you ready, dancers? You are. Let's go.
Salsa!
Hit it, DJ! Start with your hips, side to side. Great hip action, Mosey.
Thanks!
How you doing, Moo?
Moo!
Just keep moving those hips. Look how my knees also come out. Pop, pop, pop. Now, can you use your shoulders as well? See how one goes up and the other goes down. You got it. Now I want you to give me a hand clap. Can you clap your hands? Try it, Mosey.
I can do it! Clap, 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 clap!
Now listen to my rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now tap your head. 1, 2, 3.
3 taps!
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now tap your hips.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Last time.
1, 2, 3.
Now I want you to march, march, march. March, march, march. Same thing.
1, 2, 3 marches, right?
That's it. March, march, march. March, march, march. You're doing great, dancers. March, march. Mosey, let's do salsa together.
Oh, I would love to, Belle.
Look at us, Mosey.
It's fun dancing together.
We're dancing together. We're doing the salsa. Keep going, Mosey. Now, you at home, if you want, find a friend, a mommy, daddy, brother, sister, auntie, and do the salsa with them. Come on, keep going.
Salsa!
Let's go back to our 1, 2, 3s. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Clap your hands.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put it in your hips. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We're doing great. Good for you, dancers. 1, 2, 3. Now use your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Good job, dancers. I loved your salsa dancing, Mosey.
Thanks, Belle.
Good going, Moo.
Moo! Moo!
Until next time, when we meet at Belle's dance party, we will have the best dancing time ever. Until then, so long, dancers.
Bye.
Moo!
Hey, want to dance more with Moo and me and find out about our upcoming shows?
Well, just hit the subscribe button and you're in the club.
Yeah!